Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something incredibly exciting that's been making huge waves in the tech and creative worlds. OpenAI Sora. If you've been dreaming of turning your simple text ideas into stunning, realistic videos, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about getting access to this groundbreaking AI model. We'll cover what Sora is, why it's currently invite-only, and most importantly, the step-by-step process you can follow to potentially get your hands on an invite. So, if you're ready to unlock the future of video creation, stick around. First things first, what exactly is Sora? Developed by OpenAI, the same minds behind ChatGPT and DALL-E, Sora is a text-to-video model. This means it can generate entire video clips, complete with complex scenes, multiple characters, and specific types of motion, all from a simple text prompt you write. Imagine typing "a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon and animated city signage," and getting a high-definition video that looks like it was shot by a professional film crew. That's the power of Sora. It can create videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adhering to your prompt. It's a massive leap forward for content creators, filmmakers, artists, and anyone with a story to tell. So if Sora is so amazing, why can't everyone just use it right now? Well, as with most powerful new technologies, OpenAI is taking a cautious and phased approach to its release. Currently, Sora is in a limited access phase. This means it's only available to a select group of people. This group primarily includes red teamers, who are cybersecurity experts tasked with testing the model for potential harms, misuse, and vulnerabilities. By having them try to break the system, OpenAI can identify and fix critical safety issues before a wider public release. Additionally, access has been granted to a number of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers. The goal here is to gather valuable feedback on how creative professionals would use the tool. They want to understand what features are most helpful, what workflows it can improve, and what kind of creative possibilities it unlocks. This feedback is crucial for refining Sora and making it as useful and intuitive as possible for its eventual public launch. This invite-only system ensures a responsible rollout, allowing OpenAI to build necessary safety features and improve the model based on real-world use. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. How can you get an invite? While there's no magic "apply here" button that guarantees access, there are several strategic steps you can take to significantly increase your chances of being noticed by the OpenAI team when they decide to expand access. Let's break down the process. Step 1 is all about building a strong public presence and a relevant portfolio. The first people getting access are often established creators, researchers, and professionals in fields like AI, filmmaking, visual effects, and digital art. OpenAI is looking for individuals who can provide high-quality feedback and use Sora in innovative ways. Start by showcasing your work. If you're a filmmaker, have a reel or a website with your projects. If you're a visual artist, platforms like Behance, ArtStation, or even Instagram can be great for displaying your portfolio. If you're an AI researcher or developer, contributing to open-source projects, publishing papers, or having an active GitHub profile can demonstrate your expertise. The key is to have a professional and easily accessible online presence that highlights your skills and experience in a relevant field. Think of it as your digital resume for the OpenAI team. Step 2 involves actively engaging with OpenAI and the AI community. You want to be on their radar, and the best way to do that is to be part of the conversation. Follow OpenAI's official social media accounts, particularly on platforms like X, formerly known as Twitter, and LinkedIn. Don't just be a passive follower. Engage with their posts. Share their research, comment thoughtfully on their announcements, and participate in discussions about AI ethics, safety, and creative applications. When you share, add your own unique insights. For example, you could post about how you envision using a tool like Sora in your specific workflow or industry. This shows you're not just a fan, but a thoughtful potential user who understands the technology and its implications. This proactive engagement makes you more visible to the people who might be making decisions about who gets access next. Step 3 is to connect and network with the right people. The AI and creative tech communities are more connected than you might think. Attend virtual or in-person conferences, webinars and meetups related to artificial intelligence, digital media, and creative technology. Participate in online forums and Discord communities dedicated to AI art and video generation. Engage in professional discussions, ask intelligent questions, and share your own knowledge. By building relationships with others in the field, including researchers, developers, and creators who may already have access or are connected to the OpenAI team, you expand your network. Sometimes, an invitation can come through a referral or a recommendation from a trusted source. Networking isn't about asking everyone for an invite. It's about establishing yourself as a credible and engaged member of the community. Step 4 is to create content about Sora and its potential. This is a powerful way to demonstrate your interest and expertise. You could write blog posts, create YouTube videos, or post detailed threads on social media analyzing Sora's capabilities based on the demos released by OpenAI. Discuss potential use cases in your industry. For example, a marketing professional could create a presentation on how Sora could revolutionize video advertising. A teacher could design a lesson plan concept using Sora for educational content. This kind of proactive, high-quality content does two things. First, it positions you as a thought leader and an expert. Second, it creates a body of work that you can directly share with OpenAI or that their team might discover organically. It's tangible proof of your commitment and your ability to think critically about the technology. Step 5 is to directly express your interest through official channels when they become available. Keep a close eye on the official OpenAI website and blog. While there isn't a public waitlist right now, that could change at any moment. OpenAI has used waitlists and sign-up forms for past products like DALL-E 2 and the ChatGPT API. Be prepared. Periodically check the Sora page on the OpenAI site. If and when a form or a waitlist is announced, you'll want to be one of the first to sign up. When you do, be ready to clearly and concisely explain who you are, what you do, and why you would be a great candidate for early access. Reference your portfolio and the content you've created. Make a compelling case for how you will use Sora to provide valuable feedback or create something unique and inspiring. A well-crafted application can make all the difference. So, let's say you followed all these steps, and one day you open your email to find a message from OpenAI. Congratulations! What's next? The invitation email will typically contain a unique link or an invite code. The email will provide clear instructions. Usually, it involves clicking the link, which will take you to a special sign-up or login page. You'll likely need to create an OpenAI account if you don't already have one, or log in to your existing account. Then, you'll be prompted to enter the invite code, or the invite link will automatically grant you access. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Sora interface. It's important to remember that as an early user, you're also a tester. Take the time to explore the tool thoroughly. Try different types of prompts, from simple to complex. Push its limits, and most importantly, provide feedback. There will likely be a mechanism within the platform to report bugs, share your creations, and offer suggestions. Your active participation is what helps make the tool better for everyone in the future. Let us do a quick recap of the key strategies to improve your chances of getting a Sora invite. First, build and showcase a strong portfolio in a relevant field like art, film, or AI research. Second, actively engage with OpenAI on social media and join the community conversation. Third, network with professionals in the AI and creative tech spaces. Fourth, create your own content about Sora to demonstrate your expertise and interest. And finally, stay vigilant for any official announcements about waitlists or application forms on the OpenAI website. Remember, this process is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about positioning yourself as a valuable contributor to the development and responsible use of this incredible technology. The journey to getting a Sora invite might require patience and effort, but the potential payoff is huge. Being among the first to use a tool that is set to redefine video creation is an incredible opportunity. Even if you don't get an invite in the early stages, the work you do to build your portfolio and professional network will benefit your career in countless other ways. The entire field of AI-driven creativity is exploding, and by positioning yourself at the forefront, you're setting yourself up for success. So stay curious, keep creating, and keep engaging. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and gave you a clear roadmap. If you have any questions or want to share your own strategies, please drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and updates on the latest in AI and creative tech. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.